What's going on, guys? The Hungarian here. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Seiko SRPC07, the Prospect, or the Samurai. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Here we go. Alright guys, so we got the Seiko Prospect SRPC07, the Samurai. Dum dum dum. Alright, so I've had this watch September 6th. That's when I ordered it. I ordered it from Amazon. So I've worn this watch every single day since then, so it does have some scratches on it. As you guys can see kind of how it holds up. Alright, let's take her out. So this has got a 4R35 automatic movement. It's 200 meters, water resistant, or 660 feet. The case diameter is a 44. The case thickness is a 12.8. It's got a 22 millimeter band. It also has a date window. Got a 41-hour power reserve. I purchased this watch for $299 off of Amazon. I'll put a link at the bottom where you guys can pick this up. And just to let you know, this is not out of line. I've seen some people complain about this. I think it just turned. As you guys can kind of hear it click. Did I go past it? No, that's there. There it is. See that? Right in line. So with this watch, if you do order, you get the little pillow. Let's get the nice little Seiko emblem on it. You get the Seiko tag. 525 suggested. I said I paid $299 for it. You get a bunch of little papers. You don't get the needle. I'm not sure why there's a needle in here, but you don't get the needle. Got your registration. I have yet to register it. I'm not really sure who does, but you get another little piece of paper. I think that's for another watch. Then you get the little book. 4R35. That's what caliber's in it. Seiko limited warranty instructions. Well, and instructions. Certificate of limited warranty. That is not filled out either. And there you go. So back to the watch. This watch has held up really, really well. I've had to adjust the time a few times since I've owned it. Seems like it runs a little bit fast, about 5 seconds. I couldn't tell you if that's in a month or a week or 5 days. So it is dirty. I've had it on every single day. I don't really take this watch off. I can't really give you an inside shot there. That's what the back of it looks like. I should say on there actually. I think it says over here what movement's in it. Seiko. Then you have the little, it says air divers 200 meter Seiko. Then you get your little Prospect emblem. Hopefully you guys can kind of see the color, the orange color on this. It is a beautiful orange. It really does stick out. I'll go ahead and put this watch on so you guys can kind of see what it looks like on the wrist. So there's what it looks like on the wrist. Being a 44 millimeter, it's not that big. or to me it's not. It is a heavy watch, extremely heavy compared to what I was wearing. Swiss military. There's another great little watch. I never did do a review on this, but there's a really great movement in it. As you can see, it's pretty well worn. So, all right, guys. So that was the Seiko SRPC07, the Samurai Prospect. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I paid $2.99 for this watch off of Amazon. I'll put a link at the bottom, so make sure you guys go check that out. Remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up or down, leave your comments at the bottom. I've got a bunch of other videos coming up. I'm going to be doing a review on these two lights that's facing right at me. I also purchased off of Amazon, got an awesome deal on it, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that.